Hey, welcome to my channel, Dash of Luxe, where I talk about all things fashion, beauty, and luxury. I recently purchased a couple of Coach items and I've been waiting, I feel like forever, but it's probably only been a week for them to arrive because I'm so excited about this purchase. Shopping is a terrible drug, I tell you. And these things just arrived this morning and I can't wait to unbox them with you and show you what I got. You can see my first impression and hopefully it will be a good one. So without further ado, let's get to what I bought. Okay, so this is how it came packaged. Can you guess what it is? I bet you can. Before I show you what it is, why don't you leave me in the comments what you think it is? I'll wait. Okay, I can't wait anymore. Okay, so this is what I picked up. I picked up the Quilted Coach Tabby 26 in the buff color. Say that I'm slightly underwhelmed by the color. For some reason I thought it would be, I don't know, a more kind of a rosy buff color, but it's pretty much beige. Okay, so let me take off all the packaging so that we can take a closer look at it. Okay, so I removed all the packaging and here she is. It's showing up a lot lighter on camera, so let me just move my light so you can kind of see the true color. Yeah, that's the true color of it, but a little bit darker. And it looks gorgeous. This is what the strap looks like. So it just has the leather entwined with the silver. I do like the silver against the nude color of the bag. I wasn't sure I would like that, but I think if it was gold, it would be a little too like dressy or fancy. I think the silver color makes it a little more casual. And to be honest, I don't have the same feeling that I had when I unboxed and used my black Quilted Tabby 33. I just don't have the same feeling. This is a beautiful bag though. I absolutely love the size. So this is how it looks on me. I was looking for a medium-sized bag for the spring, and so this is a perfect size. Initially I was considering getting a color, so I was thinking about getting the lavender one, but I chose this one because it's neutral. I gravitate more towards neutral bags. As you can see, I don't have very many colored bags, but I think this was the bag that I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone. I bought it from Nordstrom, and this was the only color left on the Nordstrom website in the 26 size, and so decided to go with this one. I'm very curious about how the lavender one looks in person though. So I might see if I can find that one in a store, like go to the Coach store and see if they have it. But let's just take a look at it. So it's the exact same setup as the 33 that I have. So it has the same snap closure. It has this front pocket. Then it has two open compartments and a zipper compartment in the middle and a back pocket right here. The leather is the same, like soft, supple leather as the 33 quilted size. It really is a very pretty bag. I have other nude bags. I don't have any, I don't think I have any shoulder bags, so you know, this would fit into my handbag wardrobe very nicely because I really don't have any nude colored bags like this. So as you can kind of see, I'm trying to decide if I want to keep it or not, or try a colored one. And this is the bag in comparison to the Chanel Classic Flap in the medium size. They are pretty similar in size. Let me know if you want me to do a review of the Classic Flap in the medium size compared to the Coach Tabby in the 26 size. And then I also picked up a pair of shoes. To match the handbag. Now these are adorable. And this is what they look like close up. I love a good pair of slides for the spring and summertime. I think this would look so cute casually together. I got these in a size 9 and I just tried them on and they fit perfectly. They're actually really comfortable. I think these are the most comfortable slides that I've purchased. So I'm thinking about just keeping these. If I decide to return the handbag, I'll probably just keep these because they're so comfortable. And they were on sale. I think they were on sale for a third off on the Nordstrom website. I just want to note that the hardware on the shoes is gold and the hardware on the handbag is silver. But I actually think the gold hardware on the shoes looks better. Like if you're just wearing these by themselves, the gold on the shoes looks really nice. But even if you're wearing them together, I don't think it's as big of a deal just because the color is an exact match and it's made out of the same leather. So just something to note. All right, I just wanted to see what type of things fit inside of this bag. So we're just gonna pretend we are going to a wedding. It's wedding season. So, you know, I haven't used this bag yet because I just got it this morning, but I'm just curious about what types of things fit inside. On the Coach website, it says it fits a continental wallet. So this is not something I would take to a wedding. I'd probably take a smaller wallet, but this is my Tory Burch full-size wallet. And so let's just see if it fits inside. And yes, it does fit a full-size wallet, which is wonderful. But as you can see, it takes up most of the space. So if you are carrying a full-size wallet, you probably wouldn't be able to fit much more in this compartment. So first of all, if I was going to a wedding, I would definitely have some type of catch-all to put all the things that I would need for the wedding and the reception. So this is my little mini Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder compact. And I also have a little mini brush inside so that I could go to the restroom and powder my nose. So that's a little mini brush. And then I also have this lip bar lipstick in Rich Auntie, which has been my favorite recently. You need some lotion to put on those ashy hands, and a little travel size perfume. This is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. I think this is beautiful if you're a wedding guest or if you're the bride. So all of that is in my mini pochette. Just put it in the back here. And of course you need a little bit of cash and your license and maybe a debit card. So I would take along my Saint Laurent card holder, and we'll just put it right here. And I would put my phone probably in the front compartment, and I would probably take this bottle of hand sanitizer, which is a little bit larger because, you know, at the reception everyone's going to be asking to use some of your hand sanitizer, so we'll put that right there. Pack of gum, and I'd probably put it in this middle zipper compartment right here. And if it's an outdoor wedding, you want to make sure you have a pair of sunglasses, and I think these Fendi sunglasses that I bought when I purchased my Fendi Fendigraphy matches perfectly with this bag, and these are so cute. I would make sure that I have these, and I would just put them in this little front compartment. This purse is not big enough to also take like the glasses case, so I would just make sure that I'm really careful when I'm putting them inside. We want a card for the happy couple, so I believe this will fit maybe in this little back pocket. Yep. If you're somewhere where there's valet parking or you have to pay for parking, there's a little back pocket right here where you can just slip your valet ticket. And of course there's this front pocket if you want to slide something slim down in there. But this is pretty much what I take to a wedding. Just close it up. And there we go. So as you can see, for its size, it actually does fit a good amount of items in it. I don't think I would fit much more in this. I mean, it is like a smaller medium-sized bag, so you know, if you're going somewhere where you don't need a whole lot of things, you know, it would fit, you know, it fits enough. All right, so let me know what you think about the handbag and the shoes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.